I always had a doubt. Anyone without a programming background like me can learn Tableau. But Tableau is very simple. Anyone can go for it. Within a couple of months after completing the Simplilearn course, I was able to get through a reputed organization as analytics manager with a decent salary hike. Hi, I'm Shamant from Bangalore and I'm an aspiring data scientist. I have 8+ years of experience as data analyst. I started my career as an industrial engineer, but since I had a passion towards data, I thought let me get into data analysis. I started building a lot of charts on Excel. Even on Excel, we can do wonders on the chart, but somewhere I felt that there are a number of visualization tools that are available in the market. So when I browsed through the internet, I figured out that Tableau had a lot of interactive charts. That's where I wanted to check the online certification courses that are available on the websites. When I went into each one, I felt that the syllabus what Simplilearn has put in place had a detailed approach, and that's how I got into Simplilearn. The course really helped me a lot because I was doing all the charts and all the data visualization by myself. I was able to dedicate time in the morning to complete the course, especially the self-paced course that is available. And that's how I managed my time. And we had people as participants from various parts of the world, and I was able to interact with them, and we had a chat window that was available, and we were able to interact with the trainer and participants. The training went on for a 6 week wherein a lot of theory aspects were covered, a lot of practical and case studies were covered, and at the end of the program we had a project that needs to be submitted, and we were a little lost about that project, but the trainer was able to help us how to solve that project and how to solve the case study and how to complete the course. My dream hasn't stopped here. I want to get into data science. I have enrolled myself on data science with Simplilearn. I will become a data scientist one day.